At the moment, a very quick one. Update on IGBOAYAKA, IGBOAYAKA, the president, Ohaneze Youth Council. Emma, I could remember a new update. The other time, you know, update. I confirm on the orders of the governor of Ebonyi State, Ubunwifuru. Wonye, you know, that Abia no were here. Ndebakura no were here, Abia Wifuru. Abia IGBOAYAKA. Or the anti-kidnapping squad of Ebonyi State. And they better know where here. But the police are claiming that they had her where. Now police also share Ebonyi State, Imo State, be mad arrest. Police Imo State claiming that they are not aware. But we know they are aware. I'm not how they are aware. We are not kids. We are not kids. There are procedures to things that even the blind should know. Even the kid should know. No police goes to another police command to arrest without informing the commissioner of police or another person in that state. You cannot just come to maybe police in Lagos or here, Ga Abuja, where she Imo State, Ga Abuja, they made mad arrest without the commissioner of Abuja, FCT, or Ga Lagos, without the commissioner of Lagos State, even the smallest person actually arrest. I give a report to the nearest police station or to the state CID. So now there's an Korani home. So on the 13th of one no nya ka achajere IGBOAYAKA to court na magistrate court of Ebonyi State of Nigeria in the magistrate court of Abakiliki magisterial district holding at Abakiliki, charge number MAB 71C/2025 Commissioner of Police versus IGBOAYAKA IGBOAYAKA defendant. I say that you, IGBOAYAKA M and others now at large, on the 29th of January 2025 at Abakiliki, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, did conspire amongst yourself to commit felony, to wit, causing extreme fear, publishing false information, and thereby committed an offense punishable under section 516A, paragraph A, of the Criminal Code Cap 33 Volume 1 Laws of Ebonyi State of Nigeria 2009. Count 2. That you, IGBOAYAKA, male, and others now at large, on the same date, place, in the aforementioned magisterial district, did cause extreme fear to the people of Amago, Kalaha, by making a publication on his social media platform, Radio Biafra Live, broadcast platform, and other social media platform, claiming to have the knowledge of the pre-attack that will happen in the community and thereby committed an offense contrary to section 12(1)(d) and punishable under section 12(2) of Ebonyi State Internal Security Enforcement and Related Matters Cap 55 Volume 2 Laws of Ebonyi State of Nigeria 2009. Count 3. That you, IGBOAYAKA, male and others now at large, on the 4th day of February 2025, in the aforementioned magisterial district, did publish false information on your Facebook page, Radio Biafra Live broadcast platform, accusing the executive governor of Ebonyi State, Right Honorable Francis Nwifuru, of being incapacitated and should be removed as the governor of Ebonyi State. A publication you knew to be false and thereby committed an offense under section 14 of Ebonyi State Internal Security Enforcement and Related Matters Laws of Ebonyi State of Nigeria 2009. Eze Chinagrom Ndokako, Esquire, ASP, Head of Civil Litigation Department, Legal / Prosecution Department, the Nigerian Police Force, Ebonyi State Command, 08036644547. Date of arraignment 12/12/2025. Court. Also not special again. Magistrate. Again, I don't mean here. Again, IPO. Mweke Sunday. Date of adjournment not written. Section. Anti-kidnapping squad, Ebonyi State Command. So, here our charge sheet. Simply put, they are charging IGBOAYAKA for treason. Nwifuru of Ebonyi State is charging IGBOAYAKA for treason. That Nwifuru say, as IGBOAYAKA say, as the president of OYC, Ohaneze Youth Council, he has the right. If I have information about Ebonyi, I will say it. More information about Enugwu, I will say it. More information about Abia, Anambra. Imo State, one day, I must say it. It is my right to say it. It is now left for you to consider it treason. It is now left for you to consider it felony. It is now left for you to consider it cyber whatever. But to correct information, genuine information, now, IGBOAYAKA say that they informed the governor before that attack. See what we are hearing. See the information we are getting. Governor, when you a ma attack in Ebonyi. Ma attack in Nkalaha. Local government of Ebonyi State. The governor didn't even do anything to stop the attack. The governor, after the attack, no measure of security or whatever. He had the win for the governor of Ebonyi State. He had the job. Now, we arrest. It's a shame the kind of leader Simon and Alibo. It's a shame. Look at the crop of leaders we are having in this time. Look at the crop of leaders we are having as Igbo governors. Or just one or two of Igbo governors now, when they want to sense. Look at the kind of people we have here. This year, Ebonyi be able to be mad arrest. You know? Maybe I won't made this guy arrest. The governor says, but maybe somebody ginger say if you don't arrest this man, he will say more. Oto Hashemem on Sonkwa. Maybe somebody should let him state. Oh yeah. Say, why are you keeping quiet? Why are you keeping quiet? Arrest this guy. Arrest this guy. Arrest him. Now, treasonable felon Hebrew Ghana magistrate. Magistrate on egg IGBOAYAKA is now in Ebonyi State Correctional Center. On a prison na Abakiliki. Ebono now. IGBOAYAKA now. Na Abakiliki prison. Or just give a magistrate court then when jurisdiction over felony whatever. AKUKO then Abia Boazambo Tesha Belia. Abia delay we Belia. Abia defend the Wabia Moposu Belia. Can one mad weekend not a work na prison? Uno got tacha ho here ni lu neme. Ndaboro we hand in dubo. Ndaboro we hand the governor libo. Na pichu munne hono. Na pichu munne hono. No munne ha na ekwu ka libo de mma. Una na pichu munnu no. Unu ya tacha afofia. Onyo soro gobro. Whether you are governor, whether you are senator, whether you are House of Rep member, onyo soro ge boro. Iya ta afofo. Alibo will come for you. Abara Alibo will come for you. No cheha will come for you. I am telling you. But I know ya fege fenante. But to the ata ofia no wa. Abro na Enugwu, abro na okummo, unu ye bido no wa ata wa ofia. Okunu ni ne bu ndi Igbo. Ndi na na ha acho. Ku umu nno bu ndi Igbo. Na agwu di ihe na eme na Igbo. Ebu na enweghị ike. Ikusi ihe na eme na Igbo. And agwu since you people have the power to stop whatever rubbish is happening here. And I call unu unu geme, una na makashi anya, una na cho unu geme arrest because unu will governor. So unu will governor. Are you the first person who will governor na Igbo? Una na miari anya, unu will governor. Governor na mwebo yebuya before. Unu geme chachita po. You come back as ordinary citizens. Mbaka ya mazi hey amen. Una na enwe sense. Una de enwe sense. Lekwa to the governor ndu ugwu si eme nke ha. No matter Boko Haram, bandit, this, that, Iswapo, Lakarua. Lekwa he mege na mgbago ugwu. But onwene ki isiri no, no onwene onye journalist, an activist, or a prominent person. Governor ndu ugwu may arrest, but he got caught. Because no kuroku Boko Haram, because no kuroku Lakarua, because no kuroku Iswap. No, onwebe. Nkuno unu ma ihe too much. Ndi beribe. Unu ma ihe too much. Anakpari unu. Anakpari gi rice. Anakpari gi rice. Gini mera ya ga ekwu okwu na Igbo. Who are you to tell us to stop talking in this southeast? Mpaka who was your father before now? Who was your mother before now? Who are you before now? As more go in as the governors una puta na mianya na wari mpuranya. Nsobadro. Ubochinta aya chia no werench. Igboayaka nwannem udo pasa. The activists in the southeast, we are behind you. All the activists in the southeast, we are behind you. Okay, Ebonyi State. Aya wuju na Ebonyi no. No, aya abia na Ebonyi no. Ebonyi ba Igbo. Ebonyi ba Igbo. Everybody must join hands, or else nda chiganye now. Na Igbo, but don't hand the governor. They will mess this region up. I'm telling you, they will mess this region up. Igboayaka, udode, we are coming.